Good morning, boys and girls. Mrs. K. Hall and baby Evelyn here this morning to say hi and to do our daily number corner. So let's get started. All right. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. We have a purple card. So we have to get to the number 47. Let's go to our picture grid to see how we're going to get there. All right, so we're starting on 77 and working our way to 47. So here we are in 77. We have to go all the way to 47. So how many times are we going to go up? We're going to go 1, 2, 3 times up. And that, oh boy, no thank you. Here you go. And that is 3 times up. So remember, when we go up, we subtract. And when we go up, we subtract by 10. So we go minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. Let's color in 47. And let's check Saturdays. So we start on 47 and we go down, down. Let's head over there. I apologize for the different color of purple. I cannot seem to find my other purple, but when I do, I will go over these with that purple color. So 47, we go down, down. Remember, when we go up, we subtract. When we go down, we add. Down, down, and that brings us to 67. There we go. Now, let's head to our observation grid. I just realized I made a little bit of a mistake, but we still colored in the right ones. We had to start at 55 on the first one and not at 67. I was looking at the wrong one. So from 55 to 47, we went right, right, up. Sorry about that, friends. I'm not sure how that happened. Okay, here we are. Today we went right, right, up. And going right, right, up, when we go right, we add. So we start at 55, plus 1, plus 1, and then we go up. Remember, when we go up, we subtract, and we subtract 10, and that equals 47. And that is where we ended on 47. And then tomorrow, we start on 47. We go down, down. Remember, when we go down, we add. So 47 plus 10 plus 10 equals 67. Ooh, not 667. That would be a lot. And we ended on 67. How many days in school? Yesterday we had 166 days in school. If we add one more day, how many days is it today? 167, right. Let's get rid of all these. 167 days. Written form. 167 days. Hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100 plus how many tens? Oh, excuse me. 6 tens plus how many ones? 7. Very good. And our equation. Remember, when we do our expanded form, we can use our hundreds, tens, and ones and our total days to help us. Here we go. We have 100. How many tens? 6, but what does that mean? 60. And how many ones? 7, and that gives us 167. Let's add a quarter for today. Quarter. Let's do our poem. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. Here is the same amount as week 1 and week 2. Right here, we have how much money? How much money is right here? Let's find out. So we have $1.25. So we have $1.25. Very good. Or you could say we have $1.25. Awesome job, friends. Okay. So today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. We have a short vowel ladder activity, handwriting practice, watch math lesson 9, watch Number Corner like you're doing right now, no science or social studies, and remember your optional activities for art, music, and PE. Boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Get outside. It's supposed to be beautiful. And stay safe, stay healthy, and let's go Raptors. Bye, friends.